Do you like your name?
Quite a lot, yes. My name is quite uncommon, and I heard my parents spent lots of days giving me the best name, so I really like it.
Does your name have any special meaning?
Yes, there are 2 Chinese characters meaning different things in my name, wisdom and grace. My parents gave me the name wishing I could be the wisest and most generous person.
Is there any tradition about naming babies?
Well, Korean people actually name their babies by considering their birthdays, but this tradition seems like changing nowadays. Parents name their babies in whatever style they wish to. I'd like to talk about a board game called Monopoly. I used to play it a lot when I was a child. Whenever my younger brother and I felt bored, we played the game. There were loads of board games in my house when I was younger, but this one was our favorite. I normally played it with my brother. Sometimes we invited our friends to play it with us. It was actually more fun to play when there were many people. Actually, I always liked this game for a long time. As the game involves buying a city, I kind of felt like I was rich or something. I remember that my brother and I were so keen about owning expensive cities. Also, Monopoly was really thrilling. I still think it's kind of a strategic game. When I played it, I had to think about what cities to buy to win the game. Anyway, it was real fun, and I liked it a lot.
What kinds of games do children play these days?
I think most children play online games nowadays. They play various online games on their computers or on their mobile phones. In Korea, lots of children play computer games, like League of Legends.
Why do people play different kinds of games after they grow up?
Because their preference changes, I presume. When they grow up, they might seek more interesting games in different genres. The ones they've played in their childhood may not be as interesting as they used to be.
Do you think winning is the most important goal for playing games?
Obviously yes. When it comes to games, it's all about winning or losing it. As well as that, people feel great when they win the game.
Do parents in your country encourage children to play games?
Not really. Parents are keener about encouraging children to do something more productive like reading or studying. From my surroundings, most parents tell their children not to play games.